Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two popular dash cams, the 70mm Dash Cam M300 and the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Get ready for some serious road trip fun because this video is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about video quality. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 records in stunning 1296p QHD resolution. That's almost 1.5 times clearer than your standard 1080p dash cams. With its 3-megapixel camera, you'll be able to capture license plates, road signs, and all those critical details on the road. It's like having an extra set of eyes. Now let's shed some light on low-light performance. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 features 3D noise reduction and WDR technology. What does that mean? Well, it means that even in the darkest tunnels or under undesirable lighting conditions, this dash cam will provide you with extremely clear and smooth image quality. No more struggling to make out what's happening on those late-night drives. Time to talk about parking monitoring. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 comes with a built-in G sensor, enabling it to detect sudden shakes or collisions, even when you're away from your vehicle. That's right. It's like having a personal security guard for your car. And if any potential incidents occur, it will notify you through a voice alert. Just make sure to grab the 70mm hardwire kit for parking surveillance mode. Now let's fast forward to time-lapse recording. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 can compress every 30 minutes of footage into just 1 minute. That means you can have hours-long surveillance videos played back in minutes. It's perfect for quickly catching crucial events and saving valuable storage space. Remember, you'll need the 70mm hardwire kit for this feature too. Last but not least, let's talk about loop recording and evidence protection. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 automatically overwrites the oldest videos with the latest ones, so you don't have to worry about running out of storage space. Plus, it supports high-endurance class 10 micro SD memory cards, ensuring your video evidence is captured and safely secured. Just to remember, the memory card is not included. First things first, let's talk video quality. The Miden S7 Dash camera records in stunning 2.5K plus 1080p FHD resolution. That's Ultra HD front video plus FHD rear video. With its 336 degrees wide-angle dual recording, you won't miss a thing. Say goodbye to blind spots and hello to crystal clear footage. Now let's talk about the display and build quality. The Miden S7 boasts a large 3.2-inch IPS screen, providing you with the clearest experience possible. The user interface is easy to navigate, making it a breeze to operate. And let's not forget about the aluminum alloy case. It not only looks sleek, but also ensures excellent heat dissipation. No more worrying about your dash cam overheating. Just like Product A, the Miden S7 offers loop recording and evidence protection. Even if your micro SD card is full, this dash cam will continue to record and automatically overwrite the oldest videos with the latest ones. Plus, they've solved the problem of time intervals and missing frames in the recorded video. Seamless connection and preserved video evidence. Yes, please. Safety first. The Miden S7 comes equipped with a 3-axis G sensor that automatically records and saves emergency situations. If your vehicle collides, the dash cam will lock the current video as evidence. And if you see something interesting or important on the road, you can manually lock the footage with just a press of a button. Talk about having your back. Night owls rejoice. The Miden S7 features super night vision with a f1.5 aperture and a large CMOS image sensor. Whether it's day or night, this dash cam will capture even the smallest details like license plates. And when it comes to parking, the Miden S7 has your back there too. It automatically turns on and starts recording if it detects any vibrations or attempted theft. Your car will be protected 24/7. The 70 Dash Cam M300 is praised for its superior video quality, low light performance, parking, monitoring, time-lapse recording, and loop recording and evidence protection. Reviewers recommend it as a top-notch choice for enhancing vehicle safety and providing peace of mind while driving. On the other hand, the Miden S7 dual dash camera receives positive reviews for its video quality, display, and build quality, loop recording and evidence protection, G-sensor and accident lock, and super night vision and parking monitor. Reviewers highly recommend it as a reliable and durable investment for driving safety. And there you have it, folks. The showdown between the 70 Dash Cam M300 and the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Both of these dash cams have their own unique features and advantages, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, safety on the road is paramount, so investing in a reliable dash cam is always a smart choice. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and reviews. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.